When I say superfood, which food comes to your mind? But do you know that there is a desi leaf that is called a natural multivitamin and a natural superfood? A superfood that removes weakness from the body, increases blood levels, keeps sugar under control, and strengthens immunity so much that diseases don't even come close. We are talking about Sahjan, that is, Moringa leaves. In today's video, we will learn about the amazing benefits of Moringa leaves, the correct way to consume them, and how much quantity is safe, so that you get full benefits without any harm. Moringa leaves have been used as a medicine in Ayurveda for centuries. In Indian villages, Sahjan vegetables and its leaves are commonly eaten. These leaves are rich in protein, iron, calcium, potassium, and vitamins A, B, C, and E. That is why in today's language it is called a green superfood. Benefits for body weakness and fatigue. If you often feel weak, get tired easily, or feel a lack of strength while working, Moringa leaves are very beneficial. They help fulfill nutritional deficiencies in the body and strengthen muscles. With regular consumption, the body feels more energetic and active, helpful in increasing blood, hemoglobin. People who suffer from anemia, feel dizzy, or notice paleness on the face can benefit greatly from Moringa leaves. They are high in iron, which helps increase hemoglobin levels. This is especially beneficial for women and elderly people. Benefits for diabetes and sugar control. Moringa leaves help maintain balanced blood sugar levels. The natural compounds present in them improve insulin efficiency. With regular and limited consumption, sugar levels gradually come under control. For BP and heart health. Moringa leaves are also useful in preventing high blood pressure and heart diseases. They help reduce bad cholesterol and assist in cleaning the impurities deposited in blood vessels. This keeps the heart healthy and reduces the risk of heart attacks. Effective in boosting immunity. Frequent colds, cough, fever, or infections are signs of weak immunity. Moringa leaves strengthen the body's immune system. The antioxidants present in them protect the body from within and help prevent seasonal illnesses. Benefits for bones and joints. Moringa leaves are rich in calcium and phosphorus, which strengthen bones. In elderly people, regular consumption provides relief from knee pain, joint stiffness, and bone weakness. Useful for digestion and stomach problems. If you suffer from gas, constipation, indigestion, or heaviness in the stomach, Moringa leaves help improve digestion. They keep the intestines clean and improve appetite. Method of consumption. Fresh Moringa leaves can be cooked as a vegetable. The leaves can also be dried and ground into powder, which can be taken with lukewarm water, honey, or buttermilk. Some people also consume Moringa leaves by preparing a decoction. Taking it in the morning on an empty stomach is considered more beneficial. Correct dosage. Moringa should always be consumed in limited quantity. 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of Moringa leaf powder per day is sufficient. Fresh leaf vegetable can be eaten 2 to 3 times a week. Excess consumption can cause harm instead of benefit. Precautions and advice. Pregnant women, people suffering from serious illnesses, or taking regular medications should consult a doctor before starting Moringa. Excess of anything is not good for health. Moringa or Sahjan leaves are truly a desi lifesaver. When consumed in the right way and right quantity, they strengthen the body from within and help protect from many diseases. If you found this information useful, please like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel so that you keep receiving such desi and Ayurvedic knowledge. Thanks for watching.